First, remove the top nut, being careful not to break the wire. Then, pull the wire out of the level gauge. These three are sensor contacts. Each sensor contact corresponds to a float. For example, sliding the float to the top connects it to the sensor contact. To adjust the water level, say to raise it slightly, adjust the wire upwards and simultaneously adjust the corresponding nut, then tighten the screw. Note that the adjustment distance should be the same. The other two level adjustments are the same. After adjusting the nut position and distance to the gauge, put the wire back into the level gauge and tighten the screw.